Hey everyone, and check this out. The original Prusa SL1S. This thing is seriously cool. I've been playing with it for a while now, and I'm blown away by the speed and the detail you can get. It's based on MSLA technology, which means it uses a super high-res monochrome LCD screen and a UV LED array to cure resin layer by layer. And let me tell you, this screen is no joke. It's a 5.96-inch panel with a 2560 by 1620 resolution. That's a crazy amount of pixels packed in there, which translates to incredibly fine details in your prints. One of the things that really impressed me is the speed. Prusa claims an exposure time of 1.4 seconds per layer with standard 405 nanometers resins. I put that to the test, and honestly, it's pretty darn close. Combined with the built-in tilt mechanism, this thing can crank out a 150 millimeters tall print in about 3 hours. That's significantly faster than a lot of other resin printers I've used. The tilting is also really clever. It helps reduce peel forces and improves print quality, especially on those taller prints. Now let's talk about build quality. Prusa is known for their solid engineering, and the SL1S is no exception. The body is made of heavy-duty aluminum, which minimizes vibrations. This is a big deal with resin printing because any wobble can mess up your details. The whole thing feels incredibly sturdy and well-built. Another thing I love about Prusa is their commitment to open source. The SL1S is completely open source, which means you're not locked into proprietary resins or FEP films. You can use third-party materials, which gives you a lot more flexibility and can save you some money in the long run. No more vendor lock-in. So, what can you actually print with this thing? Well, pretty much anything you can imagine within its build volume of 5 by 3.14 by 5.9 inches. I've printed miniatures, jewelry, mechanical parts, and even some highly detailed sculptures, and the results have been consistently impressive. The level of detail you can achieve is mind-blowing. We're talking super crisp edges, smooth surfaces, and incredibly fine features. Of course, no 3D printer is perfect. Resin printing in general can be a bit messy, and there's a learning curve involved. You'll need to deal with things like cleaning the prints, post-curing, and proper ventilation. But honestly, the SL1S makes the process as painless as possible. The software is easy to use, and the printer itself is very reliable. Overall, I'm incredibly impressed with the original Prusa SL1S. It's fast, reliable, produces stunningly detailed prints, and it's built like a tank. If you're serious about resin printing or looking to upgrade from an older model, this is definitely worth checking out. The open source nature is just the icing on the cake. It's a fantastic printer, and I highly recommend it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.